Rushing through the vast emptiness of space, chance brought our sun and another great star comparatively close to each other. They passed and continued on their way, but in that mere passing, great things were brought forth. Our Earth and the whole brood of her sister planets were born. On looking closely, we see that in passing, the force of gravity exerted by the great star pulled the sun out of shape, raising huge heaping tides in its gaseous body. Even today, we see the incandescent gases at the sun's surface leaping upwards tens of thousands of miles in vain efforts to escape, but relentlessly pulled back to the sun's surface by the force of gravity. The tidal pull of a closely passing star would therefore do more than merely raise some temporary tides. It would literally cause a tidal explosion and tear loose great masses of the solar substance. This is probably what happened. The distorting tides caused by the passing star gave the ever-exploding gases of the sun a chance to break away from the solar mass. Great tidal streamers of solar matter rushed outwards towards the pulling star. More and more matter belched forth, tore free from the exploding sun. The star, of course, speeded on its way, drawing the loose matter after it. But the straggling sun-born stream never caught up with the flying star. Instead, it was merely given a sidewise swing, which started its circling about the central sun, some parts fast enough to keep them from falling back into the solar mass. Out of that first revolving chaos, order began to appear. Here and there, where accident had left it more densely packed, the scattered matter settled down into loose globes, all circling the sun in one direction. Our solar system was taking shape. Let us watch just one globe, the third from the sun, for it is the infant Earth. At first but a hot, cloudy ball of gas many times its present size, it very quickly, in probably a mere 10 or 15,000 years, settled down into a cooling solid ball, its surface wrinkled into high continents and deep sea basins. Vast changes have come in the thousands of millions of years since then. Nature's chemistry mysteriously brought forth the spark of slowly evolving life, and finally upon this scene appeared man, to speculate on the origin of the planet on which he lives, strives, and has his dreams.